Welcome. Today we are going to look at a very delicious algorithmic problem known as pancake sorting. It is a sorting algorithm that involves ordering a stack of items using a very specific operation. Imagine you have a stack of pancakes of all different sizes. Your goal is to arrange them so that the smallest pancake is on top and the largest is at the bottom, creating a nice pyramid shape. However, you can't just pick them up and move them. The only tool you have is a spatula. You can insert the spatula at any point in the stack and flip all the pancakes above it. This reverses the order of that top section. In computer science terms, this is called a prefix reversal. So how do we sort the whole stack? The strategy is actually quite intuitive. We focus on placing the largest pancakes first. We find the largest unsorted pancake, move it to the top, and then flip the whole stack to send it to the bottom. Let's break it down. First, look at the unsorted part of the stack and find the largest pancake. In this example, the pancake with size 5 is the largest one we need to deal with. Once we have located the largest pancake, we insert our spatula right underneath it and flip. This brings the largest pancake to the very top of the stack. Now that the largest pancake is at the top, we can flip the entire unsorted stack. This sends our largest pancake all the way to the bottom, which is exactly where it belongs. We have now successfully placed the largest pancake. We can now ignore it and focus on the remaining pancakes above it. We repeat the same steps. Find the next largest, bring it to the top, and flip it to its position. In terms of efficiency, this algorithm generally runs in quadratic time, or O of n squared. For each pancake, we perform at most 2 flips. So for n pancakes, we need roughly 2 n flips in the worst case. To summarize, Pancake Sort is a sorting algorithm that orders a list using only prefix reversals. It's a classic problem that emphasizes solving a complex task with limited operations. Fun fact: Bill Gates actually co-authored a research paper on this very problem back in 1979.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.